Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and at the top of the screen you will see a moon icon. Tap on that and it will enable the dark mode. But there is other way to enable dark mode on Telegram. Tap on three bars on top left corner and then go to settings. Now tap on chat settings. Here you will see that classic is selected. Now select dark and you will see that dark mode is enabled again. Now go back. Now tap on three bars on top left corner again. If you tap on the moon icon, then you will see that it disables the dark mode. And if you tap on it again, it will enable the dark mode. This button has been given for quick switch, and that is how you can enable dark mode on Telegram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.